Now it's your turn, Ellie.
Oh, please Ellie's gonna cheat. I know it.
I hope she doesn't cheat, because that would not be a good thing. You will never become a slime master if you cheat.
If Ellie gets pink, then I think we know she did.
It's gonna be a good day of slime school. I gotta do some cleanup before school starts. This is a mess. Okay. Don't want the students to come into a dirty class. All right, I think that's pretty good. This floor is filthy. I think I'm gonna get the vacuum. Oh! This would be a good experiment to try. Oh, good morning, girls.
Good morning, Miss CrayCray.
Did everyone have a good morning?
Yeah, it was a good morning. Awesome.
Well, I hope you continue to have a good day, because today we are taking a 3-ingredient test.
What? What's a 3-ingredient test?
3-ingredient slime test is very similar to the 3-marker challenge. You're going to have several rounds where you have to pick 3 separate ingredients, and whatever ingredient you get, that's what you have to put into your slime.
You mean we don't get to choose? But what if I get an ugly color?
Say it with me, class. You get what you get and you don't pitch a fit.
Oh man.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to need for your test are bowls. Aren't these the cutest little take-home slime bowls? They even come with little lids. So now you can take all your classwork home with you. Isn't that great?
That's such a great idea. Yeah.
Okay, so here's your bowl, Naiah, and your bowl, Elli. So the first round that we're going to do, we're going to be using clear glue. So I'm going to pour this clear glue into each one of your bowls.
Okay. Miss CrayCray, Ellie has more glue than me.
Let me see. I feel like I did this evenly. You guys leave a comment. Does Ellie have an unfair advantage because she has more glue? You know what? I do think she has more glue. Sorry about that, Naiah. Let me add some more for you. All right, so you both have your glue. Now it's time for the color. I'm going to take these colors and set them down. Now we need to see who's going to go first on round 1. So let's get a rock, paper, scissors, ladies.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. No, I didn't.
Naiah looks like you are first, but that doesn't mean you get to choose whatever color you want. That just means you go first, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. And just to make sure there's no cheating, because cheaters in my class always get a failing grade, I'm going to use this blindfold to make sure you can't see which ingredient you're picking. Okay, so let's get this blindfold on you. Can you see?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, don't pick yet. This is table. No, that's your glue.
Okay, pick one of these. Take off your blindfold.
Yellow!
Now it's your turn, Ellie.
Oh, please Ellie's gonna cheat. I know it.
I hope she doesn't cheat, because that would not be a good thing. You will never become a slime master if you cheat.
If Ellie gets pink, then I think we know she did.
Ellie, it is now time to pick Your colors, they're over here.
Where? I can't see, I think. Oh. If I got green though, I would lose it.
Okay, I'll take that blindfold back. So it looks like, girls, your first ingredient for round 1 of your 3-ingredient test are yellow and red. Let me take these colors away and we can get started. Okay, girls, put some of your food color in.
He's really gonna have any red. Ooh, okay, there.
Now it's time for round 2. In round 2, you're going to be picking a glitter.
Ooh.
But the way we're going to do it is we're not going to sit on the table. You're going to come over here and have to feel around on all the glitters to see which one you're going to get. Now it's time for rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Ow.
Looks like Naiah gets to go again. So Naiah, let's blindfold you. Okay, can you see?
No.
Okay, so let's get down here so you can choose.
I feel like I have a blindfold.
So you have to choose one of those in there.
I'm like, I'll try this one.
Okay, Naiah, let's see what you have.
I have blue glitter.
Naiah got blue glitter with yellow food color. I don't know how this combination is going to work out. Leave a comment. Do you like this? Now it's time for Elli to go. So Elli, let's put on your blindfold.
Oof, I hope I get something pink glitter or gold glitter or white glitter, something that's not black. Well, black's still pretty though.
So let's come over here.
I think this is the one. Okay,
Okay, is that your final choice?
Yes.
Take off your blindfold.
Ooh, gold glitter. She probably saw that earlier.
Red and gold. Very classic. Christmas or Valentine's? She might have a good combination. You guys leave a comment below and let me know. Now it's time for the third round. In the third round, you have to choose an additive. An additive can be a bead, foam, or whatever you can get your hands on in there. Even shaving cream if you want. Of course, we gotta do rock, paper, scissors to see who's gonna go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Ow.
Wow, Naiah, you have 3 wins in a row. You're going first again. Let's get your blindfold back on.
Okay.
All right. Can you see?
No.
Okay, let's walk you over here. You could pick from this shelf here or this shelf down at the bottom.
I can't see what Chelsea's on.
Okay, so begin.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna choose this.
Okay, Naiah, open your mask.
Okay, I got these beads.
Elli, it is now your turn. Can you see?
No.
All right, let's take you by the arm so you don't trip. Okay, so you can choose from this row here or the bottom.
What is this? Is this no? I want something. Okay, I think this. Oh.
Looks like you have those cute little animals that you can put inside. I forgot to mention something. This last round is actually a switch up. But it's not a normal switch up. You're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to decide if they wanna keep theirs or trade.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Oh man, I don't want any needle.
Elli, do you want these pink beads or do you want these cute little animals?
I'll just keep my animals.
Looks like she's gonna keep her animals. You don't look too happy, but it's up to a slime master to make the most out of the slime that they have. You can make your slime as pretty as you want. You just have to determine what you do with it. Okay, girls, here are your spoons, and we're gonna get started. Now that you've mixed it, let's go ahead and add your activator. Of course, we're using Tide today. Here's your activator. Let's see what you get.
White whale.
Holly, stand up and look down at it.
Trypophobia is your dream.
No, look at it.
Just look at my slime.
Okay, girls, ingredients down. It's time for me to judge your slimes. First up, we have Naiah slime. Whoa, look at this. Let me take a look at this in the natural sunlight. Look at those sparkles. Look at those pretty beads. Naiah, this slime reminds me of a cactus in the summertime with beautiful flowers blooming. Now let's see if it can stretch. Very good stickiness. Few of the beads are popping, but that's fine. Let's give it a super stretch. Whoa! Very smooth, stretchy, silky. Let's see how it cleans up. Whoa, it cleans up very well. Whoa! Now, let's see if you can make a bubble. Ooh, teacher! Wow, look at that bubble go. Now let's take a listen. I'm going to incorporate one more test into this slime. Can you please stand up and come over here? Now, you take one side and I take the other. We're gonna see how far we can stretch this. Oh! Whoa! Looks like we have a super stretchy. I classify this type of slime as one that if you made enough of it, you could probably create a bubble to cover the whole school. Now, Ellie, it's time for your test. Ooh. Whoa. How did you get this pink mixed in clear? That's a pretty unique thing. And look at the gold glitter. It turned out to be rose gold, one of my favorites. Very pretty. But I'm having a hard time seeing your little beads. They're in here somewhere, but they're pretty well hidden. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna give it a super stretch. Very nice. Look how smooth it goes to the ground. It's like a slow icing. Cleans up very nicely. Very good. Now it's time for your bounce test. Very good bounce. Can you make a bubble for me?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look. Very nice bubble. Very pretty. It's almost crystal clear. Let's see how it pops. Oh, a beautiful pop. Now, Ellie, let's give it our super duper giant stretch test. Uh-oh, whoa! Throw yours in the middle. Very beautiful. Lovely slime. I really like this a lot. Now it's time to take a listen. Here are the final two slimes. Which one would you rather have? Sparkly summer cactus or rose gold? You decide. But now I need to give a final grade. Do you think they passed or failed? Naiah, I love your color. It is so unexpected. I had no idea by putting that yellow in there it would turn lime. Then the very pretty aqua accents it well. And I must say, these beads really are making me happy. I really like it. For your grade, those are the good points. I think you have good consistency, stickiness, everything's very good. But I think you know what my problem is.
Yeah, I know it is. The beads.
That's right. You put too many beads. You don't need that many beads in your slime. And what has happened is half of them have popped off onto the floor.
Yeah.
For that reason, I cannot give you an A+. You will be getting an A-. Do you think she deserves an A- for this slime? Let me know. Ellie, it's now time for your grade. I must say, yet again, I am very surprised by the color. I love it when something unexpected happens for me. I love your gold in here. It's just a really pretty, girly, feminine slime. It has very good touch. It feels good to the hand. It doesn't stick at all. And I really love it. But I do have a negative. My negative with your slime is, where are your beads? Naiah has too many. You don't have enough. I can't see any of your beads. They're all in here somewhere, but I can't find them. And even when I try to pull them to the front, they just look like bumps. I think you needed some more in here. For that reason, I cannot give you an A+ today. The grade you will be receiving for this slime is an A- as well.
Yay!
Both of you guys did good jobs, but you both had flaws. And the flaws were not mistakes, they were choices that you made. So as you grow as a slime master, you'll learn from this. Do you think Ellie deserved that grade? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. All right guys, it's now time for science class. Let's head on over to the lab so we can get ready for some slime experimentation. Let's go guys!